Hi, my name is Sherman Snyder. I'm a Mastercam AE out of the Houston, Texas area. Here at MLC CAD Systems, not only do we like to give our customers unbeatable services, but we also like to deliver an unbeatable level of training with highly skilled instructors as well. Today, I would like to introduce another training course you may or may not have known about. MLC CAD Systems offers courses in the Mastercam Mill-Turn environment. In the Mastercam Mill-Turn course that we offer, you explore the different features of the Mastercam Mill-Turn add-on, covering topics from machine and job setup, introduction to the tool setup manager, introduction to the IOF, stock handling options, and the code expert and the sync manager as well. Let's take a look at some of these features inside of Mastercam in the Mill-Turn add-on. In the courses that we provide, we will walk you through how to properly set up your job. It is important once you set up your job because this process gets fully automated, starting with the job setup type, working all the way with the part geometry, plus any kind of stick out motion for both your left and right spindle. We will also walk you through the tool setup manager and how to properly set up your tools inside of your machine. So once we go into the IOF here, your tools will be properly loaded and you'll get a nice visualization of what your tools are actually doing on your part. Inside of this, we will also walk you through the application guide found here to the right. Inside of the application guide, you will find details specific for your machine here. Once we launch the simulation, we'll be able to see any kind of clearances and sinks that were made inside of the IOF. As we see here, we got a nice machine environment. I could zoom in. I could also see the head of my machine as it cuts between the spindles. Let's take a look at the front view. And inside of here, looks like everything's clear and fine. But let's take a look at this next operation. And as we see here, we could play this spindle here right above our part. And right here, looks like we got a nice little crash. So we'll back it up, and we can make adjustments to our tool and tool holders. As we see here, from our job setup, we were able to automate the process of moving the tool to the right spindle. And we can continue on with the process of seeing our tools clear. Within the verification here, we can see that our tool clears the part so that our housing is not hitting the chuck as we rotate around with our 5-axis curve. The Mastercam Mill-Turn and the job setup are keyed specifically for your machine in your shop. With the Mastercam Mill-Turn add-on, whether you have a single stream or a multi-stream environment, you will benefit by receiving optimization and visualization. The Mastercam Mill-Turn allows you to have a complete post and visual in a single platform. Optimize machine movement and synchronization between turrets and spindles with state-of-the-art interface that generate accurate and efficient code for your shop. Automation is also made easily with part handling in multiple machines and data streams as seen. The Mastercam's proven tool paths, intuitive part handling, automated job setup, support for 2 all the way to 5-axis tool paths, multi-turret, multi-spindle, and way more. All managed in a single machine environment. Efficient operations for milling and turning. You can detect between your stock, tool, and machine components before sending code out to your machine tool. The machine simulation is a safe way to prove out 3, 4, and 5-axis toolpaths to make clean and efficient, and most importantly, accurate programs for your job. If you are looking to take your training to the next level, you could find upcoming dates on our website or reach out to us to learn more.